let's give it up for Late in Life for playing 2 days together. They came out here to the Road Club. We'd love to have you come on back. And we got a lot of great acts coming up tonight. My name is Anthony. Happy to be hosting here. So happy years at the Road Club Homegrown Open Mic. Please put your hands together for Michael, followed from West Palm. Is that right? Thanks for hanging out with us tonight.
They did a song called My Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison, right? Ironically, this song was inspired by that song. It's called My Brown Eyed Girl. And it does have some sha-la-las in it, so you can sing along. All right. Love is falling inside a raindrop on this winter cloudy day. Walking barefoot with my coffee, I feel so good out here. I am thinking life is beautiful. I'm thinking of you, my brown-eyed girl. Serenity has found its place, floating in and around my home. No curtains, nothing you can sit on. But I'm so happy, that's all gonna change. I am thinking life is beautiful. I'm thinking of you. The brown-eyed girl, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hey, hey, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Now I can understand my ups and downs. Girl, you were just the one I was waiting for to come around. To come around. Maybe I can get you guys to sing some sha-la-las in a little bit. You want to practice? Yes! Okay, here we go. Practice it. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Right now, here we go. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. You gotta sing it with me. Here we go. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Okay, I'll tell you when to sing it, alright? The sound of music's in my head. She's the moments of my thoughts. Never knew a loss could ever end. Time has given me my raindrop. I am thinking life is beautiful. I'm thinking of you, a brown-eyed girl. I am thinking life is beautiful. I am thinking of you, a brown-eyed girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. A brown-eyed